welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about our sponsor today, AUXITO LED. They've been around since 2014. They're a professional manufacturer which is focused on the design and the development and the production of automotive LED bulbs. And they've sold over 6 million sets worldwide. So clearly they're reputable. They've been helping me out ever since they discovered I was having a problem with my truck. So they sent me a set of headlights to fix that on my truck. And since then, no issues. I've loved every minute of having them on the truck. They worked great when I was out in Uvalde, Texas. And when it's pitch black out there, AUXITO is there to light the way for me, and it worked beautifully, absolutely beautifully. So on top of all that, not just my truck, but they've also helped out with my neighbor Chad in his car. He's come up to me a couple times and said, "Brother, I appreciate you actually helping me out with that car. I can now see things whenever I go and work security late at night." That's a big thing, you know. And then I've got a couple other things. I went ahead and I got lights for the turn signals on the truck because the ones that are on there are halogen. And well, we're gonna upgrade those here pretty soon. Not in this video, maybe in a later one. But the reason for this video is for the actual headlight that's on the Magna. I did have a light on here before from another Chinese manufacturer. That light failed me within 5 minutes, and it did not look as good quality. So I went on AUXITO LED and I shopped, and sure enough, they sure had my light right here, guys, and it just showed up. So in this video, we're gonna be installing the AUXITO LED in the Honda Magna, so I can show you guys the difference between halogen and LED from AUXITO LED. So if you guys really want to improve the illumination performance of your vehicle, whether it be from turn signals to headlights on a motorcycle to headlights on a car or a truck, check out the link down below that I've got listed in the description, and it will take you straight to the website, and you guys can do some shopping and see if AUXITO can help you out. So without further ado, let's get this light bulb in the Magna and check out the difference. No rattle. Rattle. Ladies and gentlemen, with that is the new install. So let's see. Oh my god, I bet this is gonna be brighter. I'm expecting it to be brighter than the other one. So this is with all the shop lights on. Yeah, that's just, you know, your low beam, and then there's high beam. I'll tell you right now, that's brighter than the other LED. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. So let me cut this off. Let me show you guys up against the wall that I'm looking at. Okay, so this is just up against there. Watch this crap. Boom. Man, look at that crisp line. Oh my god. Low beam and high beam. Oh my Jesus. I gotta get this out on the road. Oh, hold on a second. I'm gonna back this thing up a little bit. All right. I'm gonna kill the lights of the shop. Okay. So here's just power on. Oh man, it's so much brighter. Oh man, that is so good. I like that. All right, so let me do a run out on the road, and I'll show you guys the difference. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, with that, it's going to be a wrap for today's video. I am completely satisfied with the purchase of this light from AUXITO LED. If you guys really want to increase or improve the lighting performance of your vehicle, check out the link down in the description down below and shop on there and see what vehicle that you have that's in their system, and see if they have a light that will actually work for you.
Just do it! Yes, you can!
Whether it be headlights, turn signals, license plate lights, backup lights, brake lights, dome lights. They even have an off-road light application. I saw that recently. I might be getting those. I don't know. But we're going to check it out. But yes, I am very satisfied with the purchase on this, because this light, that's your low beam, and then the high beam. High beam is just awesome. So, and when I took it down the road, it's just super bright, guys. It's crazy. The camera would not be able to do it justice. For some reason, the GoPro doesn't really pick up the light like I usually would expect it. What you see versus what the GoPro sees is very different. It looks like it's darker, but it's really much brighter. But, excuse me, this camera here will catch it all, which I'm pretty impressed with, but I can't like ride and hold the camera at the same time. That'd be stupid. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as much as I had making it. Also, don't forget to drop a like down below, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. It is free, so go for it. I'm not going to charge you or nothing. Just do it. It helps me. It helps the channel. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today. Until next time, y'all take it easy. I love you. Good night.